Why are you such a jerk?
He caught a bird, that's what.
Oh.
Cats. I love cats. They're the best thing in my life.
How about we just like...
Holy Comet, I love you. Y mía. Quiero una estufa, una tele.
He's a male. He's a very loving cat.
My little baby, we're besties.
Спасибо.
No! No!
Got that right.
Excuse me?
What are you doing? Oh no! What? Oh my god!
Pachi.
No. Tasha, no! I said.
Oh, it's cold.
Oh my god!
Sama. Ripley.
Get out the way. Get out the way.
Wait.
Oh. To you too.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
1957.
Hello!
Krieger. Why are you so bad?
Why are you being such a beast? Comet, I love you. Oh my god! No. No.
You can't get up.
Wait. Yes.
Lay down.
Whisper. Whisper. No, whisper. Whisper.
Open na. Teacher, ba yun?
Alexa. Alexa.
Hey, leave her alone. Oh, baby. Oh my god, are you okay? Meow, 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 meow. Ow!
Vậy bạn ơi.
Watch your head.
He's only been a doggy.
Oh, shut.
It's gonna make it.
Oh, stretch.
What? Don't tell me he's in it.
Oh. To you too.
Nous, quand il y avait plusieurs enfants, quand il y avait 7 enfants, on mettait jusqu'à 1200 euros de course par mois.
Look at this little kitten. Hey. Oh, did you say hi?
My boy.
What?
Behind you!
Oh my god!
Hello? Phoenix?
Somebody come get her, she dancing like a street.
Girlfriend and I are gonna get dressed.
Oh my god.
Shark, you hungry?
Behave. What do you mean, no?
Oh Jesus! Oh Jesus! I want to pet. What?